Why does your scanner show the P1350 engine code? What does it mean? P1350 is a diagnostic trouble code for ignition control system. This engine code indicates that this can manifest as engine misfires, rough idling, or even stalling. The code often arises from problems with the ignition coils, wiring, or the ICM itself. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Ignition coil circuit issues, camshaft position sensor problems, VVT system issues, other potential causes. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford, GM, and Isuzu models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.